வணக்கம் மாணவர்களே. ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் 10th சயின்ஸ் பயாலஜி யூனிட் 12 இருந்து யூனிட் 23 வரைக்கும் இருக்கக்கூடிய இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் பார்க்க போகிறோம். யூனிட் 23 கம்ப்யூட்டர் சயின்ஸ் கொஸ்டின். யூனிட் 12 plant anatomy and plant physiology. To mark, draw and label the structure of oxysome. Second one, what is photosynthesis and where in a cell does it occur? Important question. What is respiratory quotient? 4 மார்க்லையும் கேட்கக்கூடிய கொஸ்டின். மே 2022ல் கேட்ட கேள்வி. Write the reactions for photosynthesis. Very important question. 4 mark, differentiate the following: monocot root and dicot root, aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Very important question. Describe the name 3 stages of cellular respiration that aerobic organism use to obtain energy from glucose. Important question. Unit 13, structural organization of animals. To mark, how does leech respire? Very important question. Write the dental formula of rabbit. Repeated question. How is diastema formed and rabbit? What does CNS stand for? Why is the teeth of rabbit called heterodont? How does leech suck blood from the host? 4 mark question. Why are the rings of cartilages found in trachea of rabbit? Very important question. List out the parasitic adaptation in leech. 7 mark question. Explain the male reproductive system of rabbit with a label diagram. Important question. Unit 14, transpiration in plants and circulation in animals. To mark, name 2 layer protective covering of human heart. What is the shape of RBC in human blood? Mention the artery which supplies blood to the heart muscles. 4 mark question. Describe the structure and working of the human heart. What is the importance of valves in the heart? Who discovered the RH factor? Why was it named so? Important question. Why is the senatorial node called the pacemaker of heart? 5th one, differentiate between systematic circulation and pulmonary circulation. 6th one, the complete events of cardiac cycle last for 0.8 seconds. What is the timing for each event? Guard cells responsible for opening and closing of stomata. The walls of the right ventricle are thicker than the right auricle. The mature RBC in mammals do not have cell organelles. Find out the reason for this. Very important question. 7 mark question. How do plants absorb water? Explain. Second one, what is transpiration? Give the importance of transpiration. Very important question. Third one, differentiate between systole and diastole. Explain the conduction of heartbeat. Fourth one, enumerate the function of blood. Very important question. Unit 50, nervous system. To mark, name the parts of the hindbrain. Very important question. Which act as a link between nervous system and endocrine system? Third one, define reflex arc. 4 mark, voluntary and involuntary actions. Modulated and non-modulated nerve fiber. 7 mark. Very important question with a neat label diagram. Explain the structure of a neuron. Important 7 mark. Diagram மட்டும் 7 markல கேட்கலாம், இல்லைனா அந்த full explanation கேட்கலாம். Illustrate the structure and functions of brain. Classify neurons based on its structure. Unit 16, plant and animal hormone. 2 marks. What is synthetic axons? Give examples. Very important question. Second one, what is bolting? How can it induced artificially? Any 2 physiological activities of acetic acid. What are chemical messengers? Important question. 5th one, why are thyroid hormones referred as a personality hormone? Very important question. 4 mark. Write the physiological effects of gibberellins. Second one, what are estrogens? Where are estrogens produced? What is the role of estrogens in the human body? Important. 4 mark, otherwise 7 mark la kekkalam. Unit 17, reproduction in plants and animals. 2 mark. Define triple fusion. Very important question. Repeated கேட்கக்கூடிய question. Name the secondary sex organs in male. இந்த question ரொம்ப important. How can menstrual hygiene be maintained during menstrual cycle? Identify the parts A, B, C and D. இந்த டயக்ராம் ரொம்ப ரொம்ப முக்கியமான டயக்ராம். இந்த டயக்ராம் வரைஞ்சு அதில் ABCD என்னன்றதை லேபிள் பண்ணணும். Fifth one, why are family planning methods not adopted by all the people of our country? 7 mark. What are the phases of menstrual cycle? Indicate the changes in the ovary and uterus. Very very important, 7 mark. Unit 18, genetics, 2 marks. Why did Mendel select pea plant for his experiment? May 2022 la public exam la கேட்ட question. What do you understand by the term phenotype and genotype? Very very important question. What are Okazaki fragments? This is also important question. Explain the structure of chromosome. With an example, the inheritance of dihybrid cross, how is it different from the monohybrid cross? Very very important. 7 mark. How is the structure of DNA organized? What is the physiological significance of DNA? Unit 19, origin and evaluation of life, 2 mark. Which organism is considered to be the fossil fuel? What is the study of fossils called? Very very important question. 4 mark. The degenerative wing of kiwi is an acquired character. Why is it an acquired character? Very very important question. Why is orthopedics considered to be the connecting link? Define ethnobotany and write its importance. May 2022 public exam la கேட்ட question. How can you determine the age of the fossils? 7 mark. Natural selection is the driving force for evolution. How? Very very important question. How does fossilization occur in plants? Important question. Unit 20, breeding and biotechnology, 2 marks. Define genetic engineering. Repeated question. Name the types of stem cells. What are transgenic organisms? State the importance of biofertilizer. 4 marks. State the applications of DNA fingerprinting technique. Very very important question. Differentiate between outbreeding and inbreeding. Important question. 7 mark. What are the effects of hybrid vigor in animals? Discuss the importance of biotechnology in the field of medicine. Unit 21, health and diseases, 2 mark. What are psychotropic drug? Communicable AIDS, non-communicable dash. 4 mark. What are the contributing factors for obesity? How is cancer cell different from a normal cell? What precautions can be taken for preventing heart diseases? Important question. 7 marks. Suggest measures to overcome the problem of an alcoholic. May 2022 la public exam la 7 mark la கேட்ட question. Unit 22, environmental management, 2 marks. Solar energy is a renewable energy. How? How are EVs generated? 4 mark. What is the importance of rainwater harvesting? Important 4 mark question. May 2022 public exam la கேட்ட question. What are the advantages of using biogas? What are the consequences of deforestation? 7 mark. How does rainwater harvesting structures recharge groundwater? How will you prevent soil erosion? Important question. Enumerate the importance of forest. May 2022 public exam. Fourth one, what are the consequences of soil erosion? Unit 23, visual communication, 2 mark. What is scratch? Repeated a question. Write a short note on integer and its main parts. What is stage? What is sprite? All the best.